Are you suffering from painful gum infections and looking for natural solutions? You're in the right place. Welcome to Natural Home Remedy, your go-to destination for effective, holistic solutions to common health issues. Hey everyone! If you've ever dealt with the pain and discomfort of a gum infection, you know how unpleasant it can be. Well, today I'm going to share my top 3 home remedies to help treat gum infections and relieve your symptoms fast. Baking soda. Baking soda is an alkaline substance that can help neutralize acid and reduce inflammation associated with gum infections. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with a pinch of salt, and enough water to form a paste. Gently apply this paste to infected gums using a cotton swab or your toothbrush. Let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing. The antibacterial properties of baking soda will help fight infection. Hydrogen peroxide. The bubbling action of hydrogen peroxide makes it great for flushing out bacteria from gum pockets and reducing swelling. Dilute hydrogen peroxide with an equal amount of water. Then, use as a mouthwash by swishing around infected areas for 30 to 60 seconds before spitting out. Be careful not to swallow the peroxide. Use this 1 to 2 times per day. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a powerful disinfectant that can be used to treat gum abscesses and other oral infections thanks to its bacteria-busting abilities. Mix 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil with 1 tablespoon of water. Dip a cotton swab into the solution and dab lightly onto infected gums. Its strong antiseptic properties go to work right away to clear up infection. Clove oil. In addition to whole cloves, you can also find clove oil at many health food stores. Soak a cotton ball in a bit of clove oil and gently press it against problem areas of your gums. Leave it on for at least 10 minutes to allow the oil's numbing and antibacterial compounds seep into your gums, reducing pain and fighting off the infection. There you go, 4 additional home remedies for gum infections to help provide complete relief fast and naturally. Let me know in the comments which remedy works best for you.